here Paulina from Secret of Fashion. Today I would like show you my flip through junk journal with free signature, so I can going through, and I hope that not will be like a really long video, so we can start. First page, just the pocket with quite nice with the holes, so you can see the positive word from the tag. There is like a simple tag, so you can writing something on the back. This lace is adding with the button, so it's quite steady and looks really nice. Okay, so jumping on another page, make your own rules. So it's just the cluster with some cardboard, the book page. So simple. Okay, another one is here, just a cluster, some stencils here. They are my own stencils. Okay, here is as well like a every few pages I've got the really light flower made from the scrap of the fabric. So I attached this one with the paper clip. So they are not really bulky, so quite flat, but they can stick out, so making quite nice edge of the whole journal. Okay, here we've got my doodlings here, making the page quite decorating a little bit. And here is like a tag, it's like an open tag, so we've got this tag on both sides. Here we are, it's the second one with the metal metal things. I don't know how you call this one, but I think they're quite vintage metal things for the tie. Okay, here is another thing. There is my the stencil. I made this stencil by myself, so it's my design. I really love this one. Quite hard, the project, but it's so helping me actually, so well. There are like a Tim Holtz stamps. Here we've got another cluster here with this, the paper, the fabric flowers. Cluster here as well. And there's pocket, like a book page pocket with two tags, and it's like a small the cluster, but it's like a little pocket behind, and I'm sewing on a machine. Another one, but like a middle of this section it's like a decorating corner, you can say, with the fabric, and this flower is made from fabric, and I adding some leaves. Okay, there are my stencils. So if you are interested how I made these stencils, just give me comments, so I'll show you later on. There is small pocket made from the tea bag, really cute, really nice. Okay, jumping to another page. Belly bands with index card, with like a collage on the top. With the Tim Holtz stamps, and there under is my stencils, so you can see the lines. I'll show you maybe on a different page. Doodlings on a, you know, the little bit darker page, it's nice to do, you know, white pen. Okay, there are my stencils. I will show you maybe later on. There'll be some more, oh, some my doodlings on a book page with coffee and you know, really quick sketch, loose sketch. Okay, here we've got like a tag, touching with this things, and over there is like a space to writing. I like it's a quite, not really bulky, quite thin tag, so you can easily hiding some secret message. Okay. Oh, here we've got like a my stencils, really nice. I really love this one, and actually I can make it big how possible, so it's easy to use them later on. Another pocket, 2 tags, a painting on a book page here, and the fabric flowers, like a little dangle. Here is the pocket made from the tea bag, but I adding the press leaves here, so they are really nice and quite steady, so we can, you know, broken this one out. Okay, there's my digi paper what I made, and I scanned this one, printing again and using to my journal. Of course, there are my stencils here and some Tim Holtz stamps. Okay, there are doodlings on a book page with you know, some coffee. I think the coffee, a painting using the coffee. There's another clear page here as well. It's like the belly bands, like with some scraps, really nice. I'm using a lot of your scraps to doing something really, you know, interesting. The top spots here, or like edge pockets with some tags, cards, index cards here as well, like a really small card, and there's like a really nice my cluster. I'm sewing some scraps. There's like a book page, some napkins sticking on a book page as well, 2 tags in this pocket, and 2 tags on another page. Got like an envelope here, simple index card, really small cornered pocket here, the fabric flowers. There's the fabric flowers, you know, a few pages. I'm making some nice, you know, decoration for my stencils. Another belly band. That's really nice. I love this tag. It's with them, I think, made from envelope and the dry flowers. So it's both sides pretty. Okay, here I made this pocket made from the paper bag. The bottom of the paper bag I sewing, and I can use like a needle of this one and the back. So I've got two nice pockets fitting really well for this page. Another cluster, and here as well, and the pockets with the little sewing decoration here. Simple but so pretty. And here is a cluster, but I making like this small pocket, so you can adding them like a small tags. Here we've got this one is my stencils, the top one as well. There are envelope, like decorating, inside little bit, and the tag with my, the drawing. Here we are, a little cluster here, another cluster on the edge of this, envelope, and here's one more here. A really cute tag, just sewing by hands around. So it looks really interesting. And there's like a top spot here, so I can attach. And the last cluster here. So thank you so much for watching and joining me today. I hope I will carry on with my YouTube channel and adding, even I just try to adding one video per week. Is sometimes really hard for me, is that the editing taking a lot of times, and I'm making still a lot of mistakes with my English. So I am like I putting a lot of effort to the adding any video on a YouTube, but I try to making the best. So I hope you liking and appreciate for any subscribers on my channel and liking my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you will see the next video on next week. Okay, happy crafting and see you soon. Bye.